For much. At number 1, heavy contender for Song of the Year, the laser panning thing in this one. Number 2, the little silence before the in this track. Number 3, you know I'm a huge John Casey fan, and this new track, Red Dot, really feels like a fresh take on festival trap. Number 4, this drop. Number 5, the grimy lead in the new Hydraulics is so good. Run it! Honorable mentions. Don't forget to go follow my Loud playlist on Spotify. It's been updated every Sunday for 8 years.